How to enable birthday notifications on Facebook. Now, let's say you want to be notified whenever someone close to you, whether your friends or your followers, is currently celebrating their birthday. So all you have to do in order for you to get notified whenever someone is celebrating their birthday is to tap on your main menu right here and scroll down to the very end until you see Settings and Privacy. You just have to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once you're on your settings, you just have to scroll down until you see this section that says Preferences. So all you have to do is to tap on Notifications right here and scroll down until you find Birthdays right here. So all you have to do is to tap on that and make sure that you allow notification on Facebook right here so that whenever someone is celebrating their birthday, you can wish them the best. You can celebrate their birthday with them. Another way is that you go to your settings and tap on notifications and status bar. You just have to scroll down until you find Facebook right here. So all you have to do is to make sure that you allow notifications right here. So that's how to enable birthday notifications on Facebook. Hope we help.